This is a review of blurams Omni outdoor camera. It is 2K resolution. When we look at the features, it has siren alarm, remote monitoring with your phone or other devices, live and history view. There is activity zone, human detection, two-way audio, multi-camera live view, and family device sharing. It is IP66 weatherproof, color night vision, and the most important thing for me, motion tracking, instant notification. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have. Let's go ahead and look at the camera. Here is the camera. This is very nice and beautiful. And antennas. Here, if you want to use Ethernet, you can use it. This is the place for adapter. These are other attachments. This is for guiding while you are installing on the wall. Adapter. AC adapter. And screws for mounting. We're gonna go ahead and check it out. This is also 90 degrees. And you can put the micro SD card. You can reset it here. Let's continue. By the way, I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it to the energy source and continue. Allow. And I'm gonna create the account. Let's add the device. Wi-Fi connection.
Configuration is complete. Please wait for the camera to go online.
Right now the connection is good. Right now I put it over here for testing purposes. There are three options. First, SD, HD, and full HD. Let's use PTZ option. See? Right there. And down and up. You can take a picture, record a video, allow access, two-way audio talk. Hello? 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 Okay, here is motion tracking. Let's see how it's gonna track me. No. Let's see how it sees at night. Right now it's calibrating. Whenever you unplug and plug it, it is basically calibrating by itself. Pan and tilt. Oh, look at this quality. And this is PTZ option. See, there's no lagging. The quality is also awesome. Look at that. Okay, there are three options right now. This is SD version and HD. You can see the changes. And this is full HD. I pressed the panorama option and see how it's gonna work. Alright, it is done already. Let's look at some of the settings. device off time, family care, image, anomaly patrol, package detection. It is unactivated, but we can activate it. You need to subscribe. Okay, pet detection, vehicle detection, smart voice reminder. Oh, that's kind of new. Okay. Emergency assistant, video storage, quality and bandwidth. Quality is already higher. Night vision, it's auto. You can rotate the image. You can share the device. Microphone, time watermark, motion tracking, anomaly detection, speaker volume, manage audio library. And it has so many things already. You can check the past recording from here. Okay, here is full screen. I can recommend this product because it is recording 24/7 and there is motion detection. Okay, let's see. When I move, it is also moving. See. Hello.